So my time here in Iloilo has come to an end. I'm on my way to the airport right now to catch my flight back to Manila, and I must say that I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Coming out to the Dinner Gang Festival was a highlight, something I never experienced. I plan on coming back again next year. I won't be with the same guys. Unfortunately, Jason will be leaving, but it was great hanging out with Jason. Jason, when you see this video, I appreciate you for inviting me out, brother. I enjoyed it. We'll have to do something again before you take off. But as I said, I'm on my way back to Manila. Normally I travel alone. It wasn't planned out this way this time. Confusion with the flights. I ended up having to take a later flight. But I'll see you guys when I get to Manila, and we'll pick up from there.
We have landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport.
They were just about to tow his scooter. So I finally arrived in Manila. Came upstairs so I could drop off my bag and get checked in. Now we're gonna head over to the mall. I gotta take care of some stuff while I'm here, but I just turned the camera back on because this guy was parked illegally with his scooter, and they were dead serious. They were about to pick it up and put it on the truck before I started the camera. But anyway, I'll cut you guys back on once we get to the mall.
status. You were too careless, knew that meat and pancakes. Spend a minute, shooting up Paris, fill up the roadside. Hands cast, this is mine. I should've thought twice about that marriage. Sick of Paris in the crowd, it's one of that one that he once trashed. Now you get darkness in your head and in your heart. It's like you thought you two were never gonna fall apart. It's been a rough few weeks and there'll be more, there'll be more, yeah. Get the key to the car, cause you waiting up. Then you drive through the streets like a coming up. Say your peace, now you're off, it's a miracle. But you turn it around when you need it all. Go to sleep with the thought, it's the pinnacle. Go so hard that you sleep from the mountaintop. Say your peace, you went off, it's a miracle. But you turn it around when you need it all. That you need to taste, give your feet a break. It's a big good play that you know me make. Hope you feel okay at the end. I can tell you don't wanna be in this hell. You just can't see your way out. And if you're too late, too late. Get the key to the car, cause you're waiting up. Then you drive through the streets like a coming up.
We have made it to the Greenbelt Mall here in Makati, Manila. And I'm headed to Greenbelt 1. I gotta get the cell phone screen fixed on my other cell phone. I had it fixed when I was in the States, but apparently they did a bad job on it because it keeps blanking out on me. So I gotta get it taken care of. And that's where we're headed. After that, we'll probably take a walk around the mall and see what's inside. It's a really nice mall. One thing about Manila's got some of the best malls in the world. Here and Thailand, both. Nowhere I've been has malls that compare to them. Haven't been to Dubai or any of the Middle Eastern countries, so don't get in the comments saying, oh, it's better here, better there. I don't know, because I haven't been there. I can only speak for where I've been. But we're gonna walk in, I think this is Greenbelt 1?
Yes, sir, other side.
Other side? All right, thank you. Yeah, we got a nice little walk, I guess. But anyway, once I get to where I'm going, I'll turn you guys back on. So I finally found a place in the mall where I can get my phone fixed. Hopefully it's just something loose and I don't have to replace the screen, because replacing the screen is gonna cost me another $300, $400. And I'm not trying to spend that right now. So this man is gonna try and save my phone if he can.
Right and bite. Nagano siya. Nagpaalam mo.
Nakamot pa naman ako sa pinilig ko kanina.
Huwag sa bilik. Mahirap pag sa bilik.
Ano nangyari? You want coffee? Ano ito?
Akin na lang.
No, ay tapos na. Ito coffee. Tapos, coffee break, di ba? Dito ka ng 1 hour na eh. Okay lang yan. Ano, ba't tayo? Tawag-tawag. Ayun, may kinakain sa tourist. So, yan. Hi, sir.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, sir. Ay, nag-vlog si sir. Vlog. Vlog. Are you vlogging, sir?
Yes.
Vlog. Vlogger. Eh, ano yung ano niya? Sir. Yung channel. Channel. Saan channel niya?
Pwede mo i-subscribe kung gusto mo.
What's your channel, sir?
You have your phone? I'll find it for you. It's easier to type it in.
Sometimes it's hard to think of.
Yeah.
The Philippines.
Open up your
Which one, sir?
YouTube.
YouTube. Here.
Ano naman, sumikat tayo dito. Sikat tayo dyan. Wala ang toothbrush dito.
So you guys are gonna be on the vlog. So hopefully he can save my phone and I don't have to spend this money, but I will update you guys as soon as I'm done here. Well, unfortunately, he was unable to fix my cell phone. He took it apart, cleaned it, made sure the connections were good. He thinks what the issue is the fact that the screen is not compatible with my phone. So my phone's a Japanese phone and I bought the screen when I was back in the States. He said he thinks there's a compatibility issue and why the screen is triggering the way it is. The only way to fix it is to make sure that I get a screen from Japan, and that's not gonna happen because Docomo doesn't want to touch my cell phone because I bought it by warranty. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to live with this issue until I get a new phone. I'm actually waiting for the S24 to come out. It should have come out actually this month, but it has not hit Guam yet, and I know they're taking pre-orders on Amazon, but I don't think I can get it shipped here, so that may be an issue. I'll have to wait till it arrives in Guam, and Guam is behind the curve when it comes to stuff like that. So it is what it is. I have to live with this phone the way it is until I can get another one. Anyway, I decided to stop and get something to eat. I'm only on a delay. I'm on a 6-hour delay. My plane leaves at 10 something, like 10:55. I don't know. But I figured I'd get something to eat, waste some time, and shoot back over to the airport so I can catch my flight back to Guam. But overall, this has been a great trip. I've enjoyed my stay here in the Philippines, both Manila and going up to Iloilo for the Dinagang Festival. One thing about the festival videos, and I'm sure if you've seen this, you've probably already seen the little insert that I put in the video, or the disclaimer. Unfortunately, there was a pole in the middle of the action. And if you saw the video, you know what I'm referring to. It was great that we were able to get the seats that we were able to get. But unfortunately, when the tickets were ordered, no one knew that pole was going to be there. So I've made a mental note of that, and my plan for next year is to ensure that I try and get tickets in the center. God willing, Allah, alhamdulillah, that I'm here next year when it comes time for the Pentagon Festival. I will, thank you, sir, I appreciate it. I'll be able to get better seats and you guys will get a better view. But anyway, until the next video, I'll catch you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Click that post notification bell, turn to all so that you know when I'm dropping a video. With that, we're out.